What if you had a tool that helped you pause, reflect, and gain clarity on any situation in your life? Not magic, not fortune-telling, just a powerful mirror for your own inner wisdom. That's what tarot really is. And today I'm going to show you exactly how it can support your everyday life. Let's clear something up first. Tarot is not about predicting the future. It's not about spells or supernatural powers. Tarot is a set of 78 cards, each carrying a unique symbol, archetype, and story. When you draw a card, you're not receiving a prophecy. You're receiving a prompt, a question, a perspective you might not have considered. Think of it like therapy in card form. It helps you access thoughts and feelings that are already inside you, just waiting to be heard. We all face moments where we feel stuck. Should I take this job? Should I end this relationship? Should I trust this person? Tarot doesn't make the decision for you. Instead, it helps you slow down and explore all angles of a situation. When you draw a card and sit with it, you often find that you already knew the answer. The card just gave you permission to acknowledge it. One of the most powerful uses of tarot is simply journaling with cards. Each morning, pull one card and ask, what do I need to focus on today? You might draw the Hermit, a reminder to take time for yourself and listen to your inner voice. Or the Star, an invitation to stay hopeful even when things feel hard. Over time, this daily practice builds incredible self-awareness. You start noticing patterns. You understand yourself on a deeper level. Sometimes we feel overwhelmed but can't quite identify why. Tarot gives language to emotions that feel too big or too confusing to express. Drawing a card and asking, what am I really feeling right now, can unlock something profound. Suddenly you have a starting point for understanding what's going on inside. At the beginning of each week or month, many people use tarot to set a theme or intention. What energy do I want to bring into this week? What should I let go of? It becomes a ritual of mindfulness, a moment to step off the hamster wheel and check in with yourself. Tarot is for anyone who wants to live more intentionally, for the person who journals, for the overthinker who needs a new perspective, for someone going through a transition, a new job, a breakup, a move. You don't need to be spiritual. You don't need any special abilities. You just need curiosity and a willingness to be honest with yourself. Tarot at its core is simply a tool for self-discovery, a beautiful, symbolic way to check in with yourself, gain clarity, and move through life with more intention and awareness. If you're curious about starting your own tarot practice, subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides. And tell me in the comments, what area of your life would you most want tarot insights on? See you in the next one.